Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going to help you practice speaking English by describing your favorite food.
Yes, it's such a fun topic because we all have foods that we absolutely love, and talking about them is a great way to improve your English.
That's right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently describe your favorite dish, explain why you love it, and even share how it's prepared.
Plus, we'll go over useful phrases, vocabulary, and tips to sound more natural when you talk about food.
So, get ready to practice with us. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so before we start describing our favorite food, let's think about the important details we should include.
Yeah, for example, the name of the food, what it tastes like, how it looks, and why you love it so much.
Exactly. And don't forget to mention where it comes from or how it's made if you know.
Those details make your description more interesting and can help the person you're speaking to understand your connection to the food.
Now, let's give you a clear example to get you started. I'll describe my favorite food, and Alex will listen. So, my favorite food is lasagna. I love it because it's so rich and flavorful. It's a traditional Italian dish, and it's made with layers of pasta, meat sauce, cheese, and sometimes vegetables. The best part is when it comes out of the oven all hot and bubbly, with melted cheese on top.
That sounds delicious. Can you describe the taste?
Of course. Lasagna is savory and a little bit tangy because of the tomato sauce. The cheese adds a creamy texture, and when you get a bite with the pasta, it's just perfect. The meat sauce gives it a hearty, satisfying flavor.
Nice. And how does it look?
Well, when it's freshly baked, you can see the layers of pasta and sauce. The top layer is usually golden brown with crispy edges from the melted cheese. When you cut into it, you can see all the delicious layers.
I can imagine it. Now, why is lasagna your favorite?
Good question. I think it's because I grew up eating it with my family. My mom makes the best lasagna, and every time we have it, it reminds me of home. Plus, it's just so comforting and filling. After a long day, it's the perfect meal. All right, Alex, your turn. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. I could eat sushi every day, honestly.
Ooh, sushi. What kind of sushi do you like the most?
There are so many types, but I really like salmon nigiri. It's a small piece of vinegared rice with a slice of fresh salmon on top. Sometimes it's served with a bit of wasabi between the rice and the fish, which adds a nice kick.
And what does it taste like?
Well, sushi has a very clean and fresh flavor. The salmon is tender, and the rice is slightly sticky with a little sweetness from the vinegar. The wasabi gives it some spice, but it's not too strong.
It sounds light but flavorful at the same time. How does it look?
It looks really simple, actually. The salmon is usually bright orange and shiny, sitting on top of white rice. It's usually served on a small plate with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and sometimes wasabi on the side.
Why is sushi your favorite?
Well, I love sushi because it's fresh and healthy. Plus, it reminds me of the time I spent traveling in Japan. I tried sushi there for the first time and it was amazing. Every time I eat sushi now, it brings back those great memories.
Now it's your turn to practice describing your favorite food. Just follow the structure we used.
That's right. First, say the name of your favorite food. Then describe what it tastes like, how it looks, and why you love it.
You can also talk about where the dish comes from or any special memories you have connected to it.
And if you're feeling confident, try explaining how it's made. Even if you're not sure about all the steps, give it a shot.
Let's give you a few minutes to think about your favorite food and how you describe it. You can even pause the video and take your time.
We'll be here when you're ready to practice with us.
All right, let's imagine you're practicing with us. If I say, "What's your favorite food?" you can answer like this.
For example, my favorite food is pizza. I love pizza because it's cheesy and delicious. It has a crispy crust and it's topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and sometimes pepperoni or vegetables. I love it because it's perfect for sharing with friends and it always makes me happy.
Exactly. You see how Alex gave details about the taste, look, and why he loves it. Try doing the same with your own favorite food.
Before we continue, let's go over some useful vocabulary and phrases you can use when describing food.
For example, when you want to talk about taste, you can use words like savory, sweet, spicy, tangy, or rich.
And when you describe how food looks, you can say it's crispy, creamy, golden, shiny, or bubbly.
To talk about why you love the food, you can say things like, "It reminds me of home," "It's my comfort food," or it brings back great memories.
These phrases will help you sound more natural and confident when talking about food in English.
Now, let's do a quick role play. I'll ask you questions about your favorite food, and you can answer in your own words.
You can either say your answers out loud or write them down in the comments section below.
Ready? Here we go. First question. What's your favorite food?
Great. Now, how would you describe the taste?
Nice. Can you tell me what it looks like?
Awesome. And why do you love it?
Well done. We hope you're feeling more confident about describing your favorite food in English.
That was fun. Remember, practicing how to describe things like your favorite food is a great way to build your vocabulary and fluency.
Definitely. And don't worry if you make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
We'd love to hear about your favorite food in the comments below, so feel free to share your answers with us.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.